All of us have friends that have tried selling something on Facebook or through an online classified. Unfortunately, the listing typically goes nowhere. They just can't seem to reach beyond the people they already know. Now what if I told you there was a better way, a smarter way? Well, there is. Plugin It. Plugin It allows you to reach social media networks you can't normally access. We punch past barriers, taking your listing to places no one else can. Unlike static classifieds, Plugin It lets you attach cash rewards to your listings so it grows viral legs and gets carried to people you wouldn't normally be able to reach. So whether you are a private person with a used car or a Fortune 500 company with a fleet of them, Plugin It is a free local classified system that allows you to employ Facebook and Twitter users who can earn cash rewards while carrying your listing through social media. So now, selling something at a good profit, finding a renter or buyer for your property, or connecting employees with employers just became easier. Never before has this kind of exposure been possible, and certainly never free of charge. So while someone else's listing is being ignored, your new Plugin It listing has already been taken out for a spin by hundreds of interested buyers. Start selling. Start plugging. Start earning. Make the switch to social sales. Start Plugin It. Sign up today. It's easy with your Facebook or Twitter account.